This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your prerequisites: an Azure subscription, the Azure CLI, and the RIN binary. First, log in with as login so your CLI has credentials. Once done, create a resource group for isolation and run as add sb create 4rback to build a service principal. Make sure to note app ID, tenant, and password. You'll need them to authenticate RIN. Why this matters? RIN requires programmatic creds to provision resources predictably and safely, so get these pieces in place now. Next, you wire RIN to Azure by exporting 4 environment variables: subscription, tenant, client ID, and client secret. This links RIN to your service principal. Then run RIN init and select Azure as the provider. Choose the resource group and region you created earlier. After initialization, edit RIN. YAML to declare resources: VM, SKU, image, virtual network, and tags. You do this so RIN can translate high-level intent into Azure ARM operations. Once configured, finally validate and deploy. Run RIN plan to preview the resources and dependency graph. Read the plan carefully, because it shows creations, updates, and deletions. When you're ready, run RIN apply to provision resources, watch the CLI for logs, and verify in the Azure portal that VMs, networks, and storage are present. If something fails, make sure your service principal has contributor rights and the subscription is active. If needed, run RIN destroy to rollback, fix permissions, and reapply to succeed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.